Anna ahti ahven, Pekka pieniä kaloja, suutari suuri, räätäli pieni, Veikko veneen pituisia.
Different kind of spells and beliefs have been a great part of us Finns in the old times, especially when it comes to nature. In the bright summer evenings and nights, you can still feel the magic and mythology. Just set your imagination free. Spending time with your family or your friends in the beautiful, summery and calming landscape, hiking, fishing, or making some tiny traditional handicrafts, or just relaxing, gives you great memories and energy for a long time even afterwards. That's why we want to offer this unique experience to you, your family, and your friends. You are very warmly welcome to enjoy a piece of Finnish summer with us.